What if I told you that Hollywood-level video production just became as simple as typing a text message? While everyone's been obsessing over Sora and Runway, there's a new player that's quietly revolutionizing AI video generation, and it's called Higgsfield. I'm Azeem. Welcome back to Azeem USA, where we dive deep into the tech that's actually changing the game for creators like us. Today, I'm taking you inside Higgsfield AI to show you my complete workflow. And trust me, what you're about to see will change how you think about video creation forever. Before we jump in, if you're getting value from content like this, you can support the channel through super thanks right below this video. Join our live streams for super chat Q&As, or become a channel member for exclusive behind-the-scenes content and early access tutorials. Every bit of support helps us bring you more cutting-edge tech breakdowns like this one. Now, let's talk about why Higgsfield is turning heads in 2025. Stick around, because I'm going live on the platform right now. Here's what makes Higgsfield different from every other AI video tool out there. This platform was built by Alex Mashrab, the former head of AI at Snapchat, and his team has cracked two massive problems that have plagued AI video generation: character consistency and motion control. Most AI video tools give you this frustrating experience where your character looks completely different from frame to frame, or the motion feels jerky and unnatural. Higgsfield uses what they call temporal coherence technology, basically ensuring your videos flow smoothly and your characters stay consistent throughout. But here's the kicker. Higgsfield is designed specifically for creators. Whether you're making YouTube content, social media ads, or even short films, the interface is intuitive enough that you don't need a computer science degree to create professional-grade content. The platform focuses on controllable generation. You're not just rolling the dice hoping for something good. You can actually direct the camera, control the motion, and maintain visual consistency across multiple shots. That's what separates this from the competition. Alright, let me show you exactly how this works. I'm sharing my screen, and we're going live on Higgsfield AI right now. First, I'm heading to Higgsfield AI. Clean interface, no clutter. I love that. Once you're logged in, you'll see the creation dashboard with several options: text to video, image to video, and some advanced controls. Let's start with text to video. I'm going to create something cinematic. Cyberpunk detective, walking through rain-soaked neon city at night, dramatic lighting, reflections in puddles, cinematic camera movement, 4K quality. Notice how I'm being specific about lighting and camera work. Now, here's where Higgsfield shines: these motion controls. I can specify camera movement. Let's add a slow dolly in effect. I'm also setting this to 16:9 for YouTube. If you're doing shorts or reels, you'd flip to 9:16. The duration slider lets me control length. I'm going for about 5 seconds for this demo. Quality settings range from HD for quick previews up to 4K for final renders. Hitting generate, and this usually takes 30 seconds to 2 minutes depending on server load. Look at that. The character consistency is incredible. The jacket texture remains stable, facial features don't morph, and that camera movement is buttery smooth. This is the kind of quality that would have required a full production team just 2 years ago. Now let me show you the iteration feature. If you like 80% of what you got but want to tweak something, you don't start from scratch. I can select specific regions of the frame and regenerate just those portions. Watch this. I want more dramatic rim lighting on the character's face. This iterative approach saves massive amounts of time and gives you granular control that other platforms simply don't offer. The real power comes with image-to-video generation and character consistency. Let me upload a reference image, this robot character I designed earlier. Now I'm prompting. Robot slowly turns head to look directly at camera. Glowing blue eyes activate. Subtle mechanical movement. I'm setting motion strength to medium to keep it realistic. See that? The design didn't break. The proportions stayed consistent. The mechanical details remained intact. This is what filmmakers and content creators have been waiting for: the ability to maintain visual continuity across multiple shots. You can build entire sequences this way: wide shot establishing your character, medium shot showing emotion, close up for dramatic impact, all while maintaining perfect consistency. So how do you actually plug this into your content workflow? Let me break down the practical applications I've been using. First, B-roll footage. As YouTube creators, we're always hunting for quality B-roll. Higgsfield can generate specific scenes that would be impossible or expensive to film. Need footage of a futuristic cityscape? Done in minutes. Second, concept visualization. If you're pitching ideas or creating educational content, Higgsfield lets you visualize abstract concepts that would normally require expensive animation. Third, social media content. Those eye-catching clips that stop the scroll? Higgsfield is perfect for creating unique, attention-grabbing content that stands out. Pro tip: be specific with prompts, but don't overload them. Use reference images whenever possible for consistency. And batch your generation. If you're creating a series, do them in one session so the AI maintains style consistency. Now let's talk limitations. You'll still see occasional artifacts, weird hand movements, or text that doesn't quite render correctly. The technology is advancing rapidly, but it's not perfect. More importantly, let's address the ethical side. Don't use this to impersonate real people without consent. Be transparent about AI-generated content when appropriate. And always review Higgsfield's terms of service for commercial use. As of early 2025, they're creator-friendly, but you want to stay compliant. Use this as a creative accelerator, not as a replacement for human creativity and storytelling. The creators who win with tools like Higgsfield combine good ideas, strong storytelling, and smart use of AI tools. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of Higgsfield AI and how it's changing the game for content creators. This technology is moving incredibly fast, and we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. If this deep dive helped you understand where AI video is heading, hit that like button. It genuinely helps more creators discover these tools. Subscribe to Azeem USA, because we're covering the latest in AI, tech, and creative tools every single week. Remember, you can support the channel through Super Thanks, join our live streams for Super Chat Q&As, or become a member for exclusive perks and early access to content like this. Your support directly helps us invest in better equipment and deeper research into emerging technologies. Drop a comment below telling me what you want to create with Higgsfield. I read every comment, and your feedback shapes what we cover next. I'm Azeem. This is Azeem USA, and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep creating, keep innovating, and remember, the future of content is in your hands.